Hey everyone, it's Stacy in Deep South Texas, and I've been talking about all this different saving money. Have you ever known anyone who's gotten a great deal on their car insurance, their homeowner's insurance, a trip, going out to eat at a restaurant, and they kept quiet about it? Okay, I am doing nothing different. I am an online marketer and I'm bringing you guys the deals. And this is something you need to check out. So go to my comments or go below this video and go to the link and see what it's all about. See how $20 a month can potentially save you hundreds or more each month on different things you're already buying. And by the way, if you're a business owner, you really need to pay close attention to this, because we can save you even more on existing things you are already having expenses on in your business, and you don't have to change those services. It's big, guys. It's very big. Reach out to me. Again, go to the link in the comments or the video below or the information below this video, because I'm posting it on multiple platforms. I'm going to be putting it not just here on YouTube, but it's going elsewhere. So you're going to see it out there because I want everyone to hear about it. This is a secret that needs to be shared. How are people saving money in this time where we're being hit by a recession? You owe it to yourself, your family, your employees to see what you can save on. I'm just saying.